So Freeman recently started using Breezeway, and I'd love to know how the implementation is going.
The implementation process has been absolutely smooth. We received an agenda with touch points of all the aspects that we need to fill in and do to ensure that we're in a correct place, that once we're live, we're ready to go.
Awesome. And what's your favorite part about Breezeway?
My favorite part about Breezeway is the cleaner management app. The cleaner management app allows me to see in real time any damages or issues that my cleaners may be having in my property. It also allows me to track them to ensure that they're more accurate with their timing and ensure that the clean is done at the appropriate time. And also allows us to communicate effectively. A few of my cleaners don't speak English as their native tongue, so it means that we can translate in dozens of languages. So it allows a very, very sly and clean way of communication.
Yeah. What is the thing you're looking forward to the most now that you have Breezeway?
The thing I'm looking forward to the most with Breezeway is my time. I believe Breezeway will buy me back hundreds of hours back throughout the year because it's now a solution process that will just help me streamline all of my operationals. So it allows me to spend less time in my business and more time on my business.
That's awesome. And he's selling Breezeway better than I can myself from a client.